What's up, guys? Quick little opening here. Picked up this little guy off of Amazon Warehouse Deals. It's like an open box special. So let's see. I mean, it can't be that bad. It's just a phone adapter, right? Look at this. It's so loose. Just peel it. Alright, let's have a look inside. This is the Celestron NexYZ smartphone adapter. Hopefully we can get some better shots of the anything. Alright, so it's got some parts here. I'm not sure what that is. I guess that's for eyepieces to make it beef it up. And there's nothing else in there. But here is the actual smartphone adapter. It's got the clamp, and then so you clamp it and then lock it in, right? And that just holds the phone. This is an adjustment there, up and down. You can see here what's happening, up and down. And this adjustment here is the Z-axis. So the forward and back motion to kind of help find the focus distance or the eye relief of the eyepiece. So that is that. So I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 FE with a case. Let's see. Goes in just like that. And that's with the case, guys. And there's my dog. And so to adjust, we would go like that. And then it's right here on the inside. The inside knob does the adjustment there, so you can get that all lined up just like that. There you go. Pretty good. Alright, so here we go. I've got this hooked up to my Celestron Cometron binoculars. And just to give you an idea, it's like way over there. Let's get a record on that so you can actually see what's happening. So it's set up perfectly. A very, very quick setup to get it to work. It's locked in there. Very easy to adjust in. And you can see how well it works. That's just with the binoculars. Yeah. That is with the Celestron Cometron. We'll see how one of these days we can get it onto a clear sky night. Hopefully we'll get something.